Welcome to VolvoDIYWorks, the ultimate channel for Volvo enthusiasts. Here, you'll find everything from simple DIYs to advanced upgrades, all explained step by step. We show you how to maintain, retrofit, and customize your Volvo so it performs and looks exactly the way you want. Learn tips, tricks, and clever hacks that make working on your Volvo easier, faster, and more fun. Whether it's routine maintenance, interior upgrades, or performance modifications, we cover it all in detail. Even if you're a complete beginner, our guides are easy to follow and give you real results. Discover hidden features, smart solutions, and little-known tricks you won't find anywhere else. We make DIY satisfying, rewarding, and actually enjoyable, so you can take pride in every project. Want to improve your Volvo's style, comfort, and performance? We show you exactly how. Save time, save money, and keep your Volvo running in perfect condition. All with our practical tips. Join a community of passionate Volvo owners, sharing ideas, projects, and inspiration. Subscribe to VolvoDIYWorks today and start taking your Volvo to the next level. Every upgrade, every hack, and every tip, it all starts here with you and your Volvo.